The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grande.
We think that there'll be 3 interest rate hikes this year.
You have to do 3 before you can do 4. That 4th rate hike, or actually would be the 3rd.
If it's 3 or if it's 4, okay, I think we can handle that because the underlying fundamentals of the economy are strong.
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills!
Strong in the market yesterday, last night, when we closed, had the biggest drop since September. Today, we're going to beat that. We're down another 381 points. Now, if you recall, everybody was saying, let me play some of the cuts. Remember this?
We had a report out this morning on consumer spending. It is absolutely through the roof.
Through the roof. Great. People are feeling terrific.
Nobody saw this coming. The basic fact that our economy is doing very well.
Yep. Very well. Nobody saw this coming.
This market, on fire.
And here's what I said on January 16th. All the weaknesses that are underneath this market that nobody wants to talk about, I believe are going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February. And I was right. And most importantly, my gang members, especially my gang members who are in the video stock program, I was able to get them out of their golds and other stocks, we'll look at them today, before this pullback happened. So while these jibber-jabbers on Fox and the rest of these programs were telling you everything is fine, I was telling you no. Underneath this economy, we had a rot going on. The economy was imploding from within. You can't have a weak dollar and claim that you have a strong economy. A weak economy is a weak dollar is associated with a weak economy. So don't lie to me. And that's what they've been doing. They've been lying totally just to keep the stock market rally going, to get you all pumped up, which is fine. Great. People made a lot of money. Only those who got out. How many people got caught today? Those who are with me in gold, some of my gang members, the video gang members, some made 5% in gold, some made 10%, some made 20%. But they got out. See, it's not important if they made 5% or 10 or 8 or 20. The thing they can say tonight, thank God Phil got me out before this turned around and gold started to drop again. I've been telling you all along, underneath this economy is a rot. And one of the biggest rots is we don't have enough savings. Nobody talks about that. The biggest thing that happened to this country is we stopped saving. Once you stop saving, it's over. You've got to have savings. They came out the other day and they said the GDP growth was only 2.3%, not the 3 or 4%. The same day we got our savings rate, it was only 2.2%. Nobody paid attention to it. Nobody talked about it. That was the big number, our savings. Think about it this way. In 2008, this country had in savings $860 billion. That was at the end of the financial crisis in 2008. $860 billion. You know what we had today? Here we are, 2018, 10 years later. We should be double that, triple that, shouldn't we? No, we have less. $351 billion. Because everybody's using credit. Nobody saves anymore. We've gone to credit. Because the owners, our owners, the same owners, the 1 percentile who own the monopolies, who own all the big industries, most of the shares of the big companies, they also own most of the banks. And they got us hooked to credit. If you remember, after 9/11, they decided, hey, we're going to turn around and we're going to make easy credit. And that's what they did. Matter of fact, if you remember, in 2001, our GDP was 1%. 1%. You know how they got to grow in 2002? This is interesting. 2002, that's when they started the building business. They're giving everybody easy credit. Then 2003. By 2003, we went from 1% GDP to 2.8%. Know how they did it? Not with savings, with debt, with credit. Pick your own payment. They also did something else. Anytime you want to get the economy to grow, what do? Exactly what Trump is doing. He's ordering military airplanes. He's ordering as many military airplanes as he possibly can get so he can get the GDP up. Because remember, durable goods, those are large goods. Those are goods that, of course, are goods that last a long time. And durable goods are anywhere from appliances to home office furnishing, lawn, garden equipment, electronics, toys, small tools, sporting goods, jewelry, motor vehicles, cars, vans, turbines, semiconductors, and aircraft, military aircraft. So he is ordering military aircraft. Oh, by the way, it's civil craft and military aircraft. He's ordering as much military aircraft as he can to get the GDP up. See, we've lost our minds in this country. Instead of saving, we said, the 1 percentile say, let's get people hooked on credit. Because we have a perfect situation now after 9/11. People have weak jobs. They have weak wages. And as long as people have weak jobs and weak wages, that's ideal to create a bubble, a stock market bubble. All we got to do is give them easy credit. And that's what they did. People never had credit like this before. People used to save. Now people gave up saving because of this easy credit. Why save? And that's why we can't get this economy to 3%. 8 years under Obama, we can't get to 3%. 8 years under Bush, can't get it to 3%. Because everything is on credit. In fact, if you look, and it's interesting, when you start looking at the GDP, the only time that we got this economy, and if you look at the numbers, we had back in, I'll give it to you here right in a second, we have not hit, if I go back to 2001, the only time that we've hit a 3% credit, 3% GDP was in 2004 and 2005. You know why? The war. Why do you think they start wars? You start wars so you can order military equipment, military hardware, airplanes. And that's when we got our GDP to 3.8% in 2004. In fact, we started out in 2001 at 1%, 9/11 attack. Then we went 2002 to 1.8% because that was war on terror. So everybody started to spend money. So the government started to spend money. War on terror. Let's go, the airport. TSA, build these machines to send you through, the machines that couldn't tell the difference between a gun and a ham sandwich. Spend money. Yeah, we'll war on terror. That's how we got from 1 to 1.8%. Then the Iraq War, we went from 1.8% to 2.8%. And then at that time, that's when Bush started with the easy credit. Hey, let's start the fake wealth effect in housing. People don't have any money. That's right, give them easy credit. So we are growing our economy. Remember, it's always spending. Got to have spending that grows the economy. So it was the war on terror. It was the Iraq War that got us from 1% right after 9/11 to 2.8% in 2003, 3.8% in 2004, and then 2005, 3.3%. Again, all about war. And then when war started to phase down, we went back to, guess what, 1.8%. That's when we had the banking crisis. So, when you say 3%, there's only been, if you go back and look from 2000 up to where we are today, 2018, in 18 years, we've only had a GDP of 3%, annual GDP 3%, 2 years. 2004, 2005. That was because of war. Because of war. We're making machines that you couldn't tell the difference between a sandwich and a pistol.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. You know what the biggest problem with the stock market and why people stay out of the market? Because they don't know when to get out. Well, those days are over. I have a new system. It's called the MV2 Video Stock System. I choose one stock. You follow that video, do exactly what I tell you. I tell you to buy, you buy. When I tell you add on, you add on. When I tell you to sell, you sell. When I tell you to run like hell, you do.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Did you miss today's Phil's Gang radio show with Phil Grandy? The archives are absolutely free, posted in audio and video formats. Go to philsgang.com, philsgang.com. Let me ask you, do you have a backup plan? Most of us have a financial backup plan. What if your backup plan doesn't work out? What if the market corrects 20, 30, 40%? At philsgang.com, they go to great lengths to develop stock market investing programs that match the needs of their customers. They are closely aligned with what the customer wants, and they have comprehensive educational investing programs that are tailored for beginners to experienced investors. philsgang.com provides daily live stock market webinars. They post up-to-the-minute market alerts, stock performances, and market analysis. For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com is making sure their customers have a financial backup plan by providing the investing tools and guidance that their customers seek. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Let's kick off 2018 right and make profits in the stock market. Now, here's Phil.
Did your advisor tell you there was going to be a pullback sometime between January 16th and the mid part of February, and make sure they got you out before the pullback? Well, that's what I did for my gang members. All the weaknesses that are underneath this market that nobody wants to talk about, I believe, are going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, okay, and the second week of February. And that was January 16th. Now, I was using my chart, my MV2 chart, color-coded chart, and it tells me when the institutions are pulling their money out. So I'll give you some examples, and I'm going to give you a number right now, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG, because I'm going to give you today that chart free for 30 days. I want everybody to have that chart for 30 days, so as this market starts going down, you can see when you should be out of your stock. But even better, you're going to join the gang for $39.95 to get that $29.95 value free, that chart, and then you're going to join the gang, and then you're going to follow me every day on the video stock. I do a videos on the stocks, particular stocks I pick, sometimes one, sometimes two, maybe three, and you pick the one you want to follow, and I tell you on the video exactly what to do. Give you an example. Let's take the spiders. We got into the spiders, okay, and right now the spiders are up about 13%. And the other day, we have what we call an R1. It's a little signal that tells us to start taking profits. And 2 days ago, Friday, it hit R1 on my chart. And I could look at the chart and I could say, okay, now's the time to take profits. And we did. So now the profit that we made, we have now captured. We have kept that. So we don't have to worry about the market going down 344 points. But let's give you the ones I did on my current ones I did with my video gang, okay? That'll be better. So if you take the video, the members, you join my gang, again, you can have everything for $39.95. You have the classrooms, you have everything. But many people just enjoy the video stocks, so they're busy, they can't come to the classroom, they can't do anything. They just want me to tell them what to do with specific stock. So take video stock. Let's take, for example, GDX, our golds. These are the ones that I told you, you heard me and since December telling you, why don't you join and follow my video stock? You don't have to do a thing. I'll tell you when to get in, when to get out. I instruct you all the way through. Let's take GDX. GDX is up 15%. No, I'm sorry, 14%. And we were able to get our gang members who follow me on that video stock, who follow that video, told them exactly when to get out. And that was when this stock hit what we call around $24.97. And now the stock has pulled back, but they don't have to worry. They don't have to worry. The stock pulled back, so they kept their profits. They kept their profits on GDX. I'll give you another one. Nugget. Nugget's another one. Nugget went up. Now you're not going to believe this, so if I'll cut it in half. Well, I'll cut it in half again. It's up 54%. So let's say it went up 10%. You're not going to believe the 54%. Same thing. Now, when that got to a certain point, I said to my gang, okay, you're right on the video. Now's the time to get out. I want you to get out. Now, sometimes what we'll do is keep 1 or 2 shares, okay? But if we have 500 shares, 600, whatever, sometimes I tell them just keep 1 or 2 shares just so we can track it, because sometimes we can get in later. But my point is, who has called you recently? Did anybody call you on January 16th to tell you we're going to have a pullback and to make sure you're out of your stocks in time? Well, that's what I did. And I did that with my chart, my video chart. It's called the MV2 video. So what you should do is join now. Here's the number. You join the gang, 877-600-GANG. I'm going to shut this off at 5 o'clock tonight. You join the gang, and you get your free chart. Okay? The MV2 color-coded chart that you can follow me with. It tells you when to get in, when to get out. Now remember, it's a video. I do a simple video. I don't take your money. You don't send me your money. What you do is that you just buy a position online. You got millions of online brokers. And you just, when I say buy it, you go to an online broker, you take your position, and then you just follow me. You have your computer with you, your mobile device with you, and during the day, I keep updating it. I update all day long, so you just having lunch, you're a carpenter, you're having lunch, you click on, or you're a truck driver, lunchtime, click on, see what Phil told me to do with GDS. Oh, he told me to get out. He told me to take profits. So that's just two. Nugget. Another one was, I got another one is 3 gold stocks. We are out and we got those profits in our pocket. So here's the number. 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call now, and you will get, this is good up to 5 o'clock tonight. You join the gang, $39.95, and you get your free chart, the same one that you're going to follow me on, that I instruct you. I use that chart to instruct you when to get in, when to add to your position, when to take some profits, and when to run like hell. Okay? All right, one more time, 877-600-GANG. So why is the market going down? I told you what was going on. You can't continue. When you're going to keep doing interest rates, you're going to keep pushing rates up. That's inflation. Anytime you increase rates, that's inflation. The more you increase rates, and that's what they're going to do, they're going to raise rates maybe 3-4 more times this year. It's incredible.
We think that there'll be 3 interest rate hikes this year.
You have to do 3 before you can do 4. That 4th rate hike, or actually would be the 3rd.
If it's 3 or if it's 4, okay, I think we can handle that because the underlying fundamentals of the economy are strong.
The underlying fundamentals of this economy is weak because we have the weakest dollar, a horrible dollar, and we have no savings. Notice they don't talk about savings. No savings. You got to have savings. And here's the other problem. The other problem is disposable income, what you have left. Okay, after you pay all your expenses and taxes. You know what it rose this year? 1.4%. Do you know what true inflation rate is? Not the 2.2 they tell you the government gives you. Know why the government gives you 2.2% rather than 8.7%? They give you 2.2% because they give you 8.7%. Anybody on Social Security, they got to give them an adjustment, cost of living. So they screw people on Social Security with a false inflation number. So your personal income that went up 1.4% over a year's time, that got wiped out. You didn't get a penny. And think about your personal income. Never mind disposable income. I get back, wait till I tell you what your personal income went up. What are you, nuts? How are you going to catch up? By joining Phil's gang. Get your free chart. Call now.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
How do you see the world? Ha! At Shriners Hospitals for Children, we know that changing how you see things can turn them into everyday miracles. Like riding my bike. Breaking boards. Ha! Hugging my mom. Every day for over 90 years, Shriners Hospitals for Children has been sending love to the rescue, regardless of a family's ability to pay.
If you know a child we can help, call or go online now.
The stock market is at an all-time high and continues to go up, up, up. We want to keep it going.
What a great time to join philsgang.com and take advantage of Phil's MV2 video program. Phil picks the stocks. You watch the videos, follow Phil's instructions, and make profits. It's an easy way to be invested in the market with no time involved. Sign up at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. And join Phil's Gang today. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a philsgang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. You know what the biggest problem with the stock market and why people stay out of the market? Because they don't know when to get out. Well, those days are over. I have a new system. It's called the MV2 Video Stock System. I choose one stock. You follow that video. Do exactly what I tell you. I tell you to buy, you buy. When I tell you add on, you add on. When I tell you to sell, you sell. When I tell you to run like hell, you do.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil Grandy is a career businessman who has also been an entrepreneur all his life. He has used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with a prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passion and desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com in 2018. Give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
This market on fire.
All the weaknesses that are underneath this market that nobody wants to talk about, I believe are going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February. That was January 16th. Well, everybody else was saying how the market's on fire and the economy's doing terrific.
Nobody saw this coming. The basic fact that our economy is doing very well.
Yep. Unbelievable. But I saw it coming because I saw that on my chart. And I'm going to give you an opportunity to use that chart free for 30 days. Just join the gang between now and 5 o'clock, shutting off 5 o'clock. And just join. Here's 877-600-GANG. You get your free membership, costs you $39.95. With that, you get the color coded chart, the MV2, the one I use for my video stocks, where I explain to my members who follow me on the video stock, I instruct them what to do, when to get in, when to get out. They don't have to do a thing. They don't have to think, and you get that free for 30 days. So it's a lot of fun. It's fun, but also you can share it with your kids and your family. I mean, because especially for people who feel they're so far behind, they're never going to be able to retire with enough money. I'm not going to say I'm going to catch you up totally. I can't. That'd be impossible. But I sure can help. I sure can help you. But stop listening to these people. Look, savings is a killer. If you don't believe me, here's the numbers. We don't save anymore. and this is why our economy is not doing well. From 1982 to 2001, that's about 18 years, 19 years, we had 16 years where we had a 3% GDP. If I give you the same amount of years up to 2018, twice. So if you think about, if you take two approximately 18-year periods from 2001, we up to 1983 to 2001, you're going to find that you had 16 out of those 18 or 19 years, 3% GDP. Why? Because we had big savings. If you now go and start right after the crash, 9/11, and you start 2001, where they said, oh, you don't need savings anymore. Get rid of your savings. And by the way, take the equity out of your house. Remember when George Bush said, go take the equity out of your house, go spend. He had everybody using their house as an ATM machine. They took $8 trillion in equity out of their home. People had no more equity. Their savings was gone. That house was their retirement. That idiot Bush, that loser Bush, that closet liberal Bush made the stupidest, dumbest. I can't believe he told people, take the equity out of your house, use it as the ATM machine, go out and spend. We got to save the economy. All he wanted is to show he can get his GDP up to 3%. He never did it. So again, how come when we had good savings in a 18-year period, we had GDP 16 years of the 18 of 3%. Now when we got rid of savings, told people to stop savings, and we said, we'll give you easy credit, you can go out buy anything you want, pick your payment. On the same, almost nearly the same amount of years, 18 years, we only had 2 years of GDP at 3%. And Trump thinks he's going to get to 3%. What are you, nuts? We got to build savings, because here's the other thing. You need savings to build small businesses. Small businesses that are the engine behind this country, the engine behind this whole country, the middle class that grows this country. They don't go to the public markets for money. They don't go to Wall Street. They used to go to small savings banks. They used to go to community banks. That was until the Dodd-Frank bill came out. Those two communists decided with Obama, the third communist, to get rid of all small businesses. And how you get rid of them? Get rid of all the community banks who financed them. And they cut the community banks. Most of them went out of business, or most of them went out and had to merge with the large banks like Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and so forth. So they had so businesses didn't have a place to go and get financing. That's why our GDP hasn't grown, because you've got to take care of the small business. So here's what's happened. You ever want to know the real truth of how the economy is? You don't listen to these fools. You don't listen to these fools like Varney and the rest of them. Go look at disposable income. Or even better, look at durable goods. That is the most powerful indicator of what the economy is doing. Durable goods, that, remember, includes military aircraft, military parts. Durable goods are goods that last for more than 5 years, like appliances and office, for all big items. Starting in August 2017, right before he got elected, before he won in November, our durable goods orders, including military and civil aircraft parts, were the weakest in 18 months. In fact, our durable goods order, if you take everything, office furniture, home furniture, machinery for companies, if you do capital investment, they have to order machinery. That's all durable goods. We've had the weakest durable goods in 3 years. That's why, and the reason we don't have durable goods, we don't have a good durable good market, we don't have savings, because you got to go out, people have to go out and borrow. But they're tapped out. Their credit cards are tapped out. You go look at their household debt, $13 trillion, tapped out, the highest household debt in history. Our credit cards, all tapped out. Oh, but what do they tell you? Oh, the consumer's doing really great.
We had a report out this morning on consumer spending. It is absolutely through the roof.
Yeah, they're spending using credit card. So think about this. That's why this economy can't grow, because we don't have savings. This president's got to work on savings. People got to start savings again. Our parents saved. They didn't have a mortgage on their home. Their home was their retirement plan, not some fancy pension fund, not that stupid 401k that you're going to end up with nothing. I promise you, your 401k, you'll end up with nothing, because I'm telling you, go check out go check out the expenses. Go check out the expense. 2 points, just 2%, they wipe out half of your savings. But nobody wants to believe it. Nobody wants to believe it. So the important thing that I can offer you is, look, the stock market, we are never going to get to 3% because we don't have savings. That's one of the biggest things. And the other problem we have is that, again, our interest rates, we can't keep raising interest. So what Trump's going to have to do, Trump is going to do quantitative easing. He's going to print 100. You watch. I was right. January 16th, we're going to have a pullback. And I'm going to tell you, listen to me now, and this will come out true. At some point, he is going to have to say, I got to get the interest rates down. I got to get the 10-year interest rate down. I got to get 10-year yield down. It's killing us. The dollar's getting so weak. Think about it. The dollar's getting weaker and weaker, but what we import is costing more and more. So Mnuchin creates a situation with importing our goods are more expensive coming in, while our dollar is going down in value. So this idiot Mnuchin makes sure the goods coming into us that we have to buy is at a point our dollar is going down and is the weakest. How stupid. These people are so stupid. They stop and it's just and they want you to believe the economy's great because you know why? They're going to keep pushing the stock market up. And they want you to believe the stock market's the economy when it's not. So we're going to stay. Every time they push the market up, we're going to be there. But like this week, we got out. We got out in time. Give you an example. UNG, that's our gas. We got right now a profit in UNG. I think it's about 12%, maybe even a little more than that. We got in around $23. It's now today was we got it's about 26. Let's say $27. Let's round it off. That's a 17% gain. So let's cut that in half. Are you kidding? Join my gang. Get your free. It's $39.95. Get your free chart. Try it for 30 days. And get your chart up to 5 o'clock tonight. Join now. They're waiting for your call.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, philsgang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and Phil'sGang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade, a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Phil Grandy at Phil'sGang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to Phil'sGang.com. That's Phil'sGang.com. Or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
How do you see the world? At Shriners Hospitals for Children, we know that changing how you see things can turn them into everyday miracles. Like riding my bike, breaking boards, hugging my mom. Every day for over 90 years, Shriners Hospitals for Children has been sending love to the rescue, regardless of a family's ability to pay.
If you know a child we can help, call or go online now.
Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At Phil'sGang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And Phil'sGang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the Phil'sGang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a Phil'sGang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at Phil'sGang.com. That's Phil'sGang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to Phil'sGang.com. Now, here's Phil.
All the weaknesses that are underneath this market that nobody wants to talk about, I believe are going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February. And that was January 16th, while everybody else was saying the market's on fire, blah, blah, blah. Now, let me tell you, we're going to get a little pullback, and then the market's going to take off again because Trump is going to continue to fix the market like Obama did, like Bush did. Credit. They're going to give easy credit. They're going to start doing easy credit again. Now, when I tell you there's been a connection between our economic growth of this country and savings, think about this. Every time we had strong economic growth and you had a great standard of living, and you could get overtime, and you could save money, and you had a good life. Think back to 1982 to 2001, about an 18-year period. During that 18-year period, our economy was growing 3% or more. Why? Because we were heavy savers. So when we went and bought stuff, we didn't go with a credit card. We didn't go finance it. They decided to screw us after the 9/11, convince people, take parking space in your head, you don't need savings. They told you, take the equity in your house, the $8 trillion, baby Bush did, pull it out and go shopping. And people listened to this closet communist. This idiot couldn't even run a business. 6 businesses his dad gave him, and they all blew up. And he's telling us to go take equity out of our home. Now people don't have retirement because of that. But listen, what happened? How well did the economy do from 2001 to 2018? How many years, that's about 18 years, did we have a 3% GDP growth? 2 compared to 16. That tells you savings is where it is. But we blew up our economy because who runs our economy? The very wealthy, the same 1 percentile who has the owns the big shares of the big multinational companies, the big corporations. They're the same ones who have the big shares and are the banks. They control your jobs. They control you. They control your salary. And now, when you're not making much money and your job's not as secure, because they always can threaten you with, we're going to outsource, they always want you to have weak jobs and weak salaries, because then they can give you credit. That's how they build that's how they get rich. And then when the bubble climbs and you get caught off with so much debt, then the bubble breaks. And that's what's going to happen here. But if you're with me, I can't guarantee you, if you're behind in your savings, I'm going to catch you up. But I'll do a darn good job getting you there. This program, my video stock program, is like any educational video that tells you to do something. Like you go get a video that tells you how to cut the lawn. You get a video that tells you how to put roses in, grow roses, right? Well, I'm giving you a video where I'm going to show you tonight. I'm going to put up a stock. It's called SDS. What's that mean? That's the reverse. When the stock market is crashing, as the S&P is going down, we buy this, called this. It's the reverse. So as it goes, SDS goes up, we're making money as the stock market goes down. I'm going to put that on my video stock. I will coach you with it all the way through. And also I'm doing another one called the VIX. And I started to coach. I'll do these two to start coaching you with. So I will give you for 30 days free my chart that I use, so know when to get in, but more important, when to get out. So just follow me for 30 days. You pay $39.95 for the membership. You get the chart that's $29.95. You get that free for 30 days. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. Call now. This offer's over at 5 o'clock. And you're not calling China or somewhere else, or India. You're talking right here to somebody, a human being in Sarasota, Florida. Okay, so again, we're going to have two exciting stocks, but the most important thing is when to get out. Here, give you an idea. UNG, our gas stock. Our gas stock, UNG, is up about, I think, 12%. It has not given us a signal to get out yet. But I told my gang, okay, we're going to, especially the people. Now, the people, this is on my video. And every night, whether you're a carpenter or a truck driver or whatever you are, you're busy, or during the day at lunch, you just go to the video and I'll tell you what to do with it next. So they know now they're up, let's say 12%. I think it's more than that, but let's say 12%. They don't have to worry while they're driving truck or fixing an air conditioner or a mason. They haven't got to worry about, is that stock going to go down, and I got to go look and hope it doesn't go down, and then call your broker or your planner, what should I do? No, you don't have to worry. I'll get you out. You'll be out in time. So again, I'm cutting this off at 5 o'clock, so please, 877-600-GANG. All right, let's talk about this for a moment. The biggest problem we have with the market right now is, what areas do you go into the stock market? See, it used to be when you had a weak dollar, you knew where to go. It's called fundamentals. You knew if you had a weak dollar, you go into, if you have a weak dollar, you go into industrial stocks like Caterpillar or United Technology or airlines. You know, if you had a weak dollar, you go into, or if you have a strong dollar, you buy small cap stocks like MDR, HOB, Rambus is a good one. But those days are gone. You know that? So even when they put you into a 401k or whatever they have you, mutual fund, and they put a group of stocks in, it doesn't do any good. Because the stocks aren't going up because of what the company does. No more. Stocks go up because the company will buy its own stock back. You look at companies like right now, small cap stocks. They're supposed to go up with a strong dollar. They're going up with a weak dollar. Because why? Because these CEOs can get money cheap enough and buy their own shares back. They get very rich because the stock goes up. So it used to be, okay, hey, these small mid-cap stocks, we'll put them in our portfolio as soon as the dollar gets strong. We leave them there for 3 months, 6 months, we make money. You can't do that anymore because they're going up now with the dollar's weak. What are you, nuts? So the key is, you can't be an activist investor. You're too busy taking care of your family. You're too busy. You can't do that. And then you got to depend on these morons?
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
Yeah, that makes you warm and fuzzy when you go to bed at night. You got 50 grand in your retirement account and this dope's taking care of you.
What's a financial advisor?
That is a term that means almost nothing. It is somebody who might be a financial planner, or
it's somebody's going to screw you. That's who it is. End of story. So we've got right now, if you're going to be in the market, there's no better place. This is the only place you're going to make money. It's the only place you're going to catch up. And stop. Look at Steve Leisman, the biggest buffoon. He's an economist for CNBC. He comes on the other day. He says people are feeling flush. They're feeling flush in their accounts because of the wealth of the stock market. Feeling flush in their accounts. The same day, the savings accounts came out. We're at a huge loss. We're only at 2.2%. We dropped something like from 8% or whatever it was. So he lies to us. He says, oh, people are feeling flush in their accounts. How can they feel flush in their accounts when we get the report on the same day? Savings has dropped to 2.2%, the lowest since 2005. Are you kidding me? How can he say people feel flush? They don't feel flush. When their savings account is at the lowest from 2005? This is crazy. Here's the other thing. He says they're flush in their account because the stock market's done so well. Wait a minute. Let's go look at last year, 2017. The stock market increased $6 trillion in value. But do you want to know something? That 93% of that $6 trillion went to 1 percentile. 93% of the $6 trillion went to the 1 percentile, the richest. The rest was spread among 99% of the population. Or think about this, spread among 18% of the taxpayers. Are you kidding? You don't have a chance. You don't have a chance. Were they nuts? We have, these people have screwed up this economy so bad. So what you do? Let's make money on it. All right, this shuts off at 5 o'clock. Okay, you don't get a free chart after 5. 877-630 gang. And please remember St. Jude when you're making money.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.